Hi people, now I will show you how to make the strange sound in the sky fake video. You need internet, a webcam, and YouTube. First, make a video from the sky. Don't talk and don't show your face. Save the video on your computer. Now, go on YouTube and write Sound of Jupiter. Take a video and download it on your computer. Now, open Windows Movie Maker, import your video from the sky, and put the Sound of Jupiter in the sound, like this. Save the video. See my personal fake video. Now, if you are with Saturn, post your video on YouTube and lie to the humanity. Good day people.